So thanks for this opportunity, to have a one-to-one session with you. It was my privilege to get a great mentor like you with regard to creating the brand. I never thought like that that ideas which you gave me, that was there in depth, but with after discussion with you, I got a lot of clarity. Obviously, the some of the examples which you gave and which helped me to think about that. Actually, it is there in my mind. Those brands and all which I like to wear or which I like to use in a daily basis, those things, actually those things, that core values what you talked about, or the deeper connections which we get with the brands, or even I connected with some of the brands. So all those things which you revealed, it was really fantastic. I loved how helped me to see how I can build the brand and how I can become the brand. Okay, it is not just part of the like just a matter of like designing the things or any kind of like like creating an invitation or something. How we can connect with the people and how people can connect with us and remain for a longer time with us. That is what I felt like. I should be the brand and I can create and help lot of people to become the brands. Okay, and you are doing that a great job. That's really fantastic. And I think in future, uh, people will emerge as a bigger brands. Okay, it is not only just with the words, and people with the core values and with the thinking difference and with a lot of passion what they have in their heart, they can come and emerge as a brand, and I can create some big impact in this world. So thanks for your like mentorship and guidance and helping people to evolve themselves into the brand.
Thank you, Mukesh. That's wonderful words. So I'm really happy that you got some value through this session, which is entirely my motto is. But before we end this session, would you like to say like few words about people who are watching this video? What do you would like to recommend for them?
Yes, yes, absolutely. So, hello everybody. So, people, if you're like watching this video till this, so you have really you people want to become the brand. Okay. So, if you have that intention, how to do this brand, how to emerge yourself as a brand, and whatever the core values you are holding, and you are not able to reach people, or if you're like reaching people, you're not able to sustain for a longer time with the people. I think Praveen is the best person who can create that connection, create that dots, and evolve yourself into a bigger brand. Okay, and actually, this discussion is not yet done because in near future we are coming and emerging as a bigger things as a brand. Okay, and we are going beyond the logos and designs. So thanks, Praveen, for
Great,
this
great.
insight.
Thank you so
And
much, Mukesh. That's
and
wonderful
people
of
who
you.
are like watching, like Praveen is giving this his guidance, it is actually it has emerged from his experience and great values. Okay, trust me, with his discussions and all, I got to connect with him. Okay, it was not that easily which I got connect with the people, but with his discussion, I understood that if we connect in a right way, okay, that collaboration what we do and what we learn from Praveen is enormous. Okay, it is just like instead of like studying lot of books, doing a lot of research,
So
Praveen is the
true.
best.
So true.
Okay, Praveen is the best. Okay, so you can go with him and he will be he will make you something better person.
That's really wonderful, Mukesh. Thank you, Mukesh. Thank you so much for that wonderful words, guys. If you're watching this video, I just want you to know that it's more of a Mukesh who is. See, it's all about people who are what they are the ones who are gaining the knowledge. So it's up to you how you take it. It's not that everybody who watch the same thing will get the same value, right? So Mukesh is saying because he got immense value
Yes,
and
yes,
he's into
absolutely.
nutrition and wealth space. He's really good with that. He's saying these all good words about me because he's good in his own space, right? So
Yeah.
with that, I would like to say everyone that please be connect with me on my Facebook page, which is there in the link, and let's take it forward. If you willing to have one to one with me and understand how you can take yourself business from business to brand, I'm definitely happy to guide you for that. So there is a link in link below this video where you can click and book your one to one with me. With that, thank you so much. Thank you,
That's great.
Mukesh. See you soon.